National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Mahoning County, southeastern Portage County, eastern Stark County until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Louisville to Minerva and moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Youngstown, Alliance, Sebring, Canfield, Boardman, Campbell, Lemoville, Maple Ridge, Boyd.
No, it's a severe thunderstorm warning.
Poland, New Middletown, Struthers, and Lowell.
Yeah, for Youngstown. I'm getting a video of this right now.
An interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Large hail, damaging winds, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning kills. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Mahoning, Portage, and Stark.